A microwave air fryer convection oven combo is a small kitchen appliance which combines the speedy power of a microwave with an air fryer setting for crispy results. Whether you want a quick snack of microwave popcorn or to cook up your favorite weeknight air fryer recipe, a microwave air fryer combo will become a versatile and convenient tool for your household. We especially love that you can steam or par-cook a vegetable in the microwave and then switch to the air frying setting to add a crisp, golden brown exterior, something you wouldn't be able to get with a traditional microwave. When we test microwave air fryer combos, we assess everything from ease of opening the door to popping popcorn, air frying chicken wings, toasting and melting cheese on bread, baking a cake, and so much more. When we evaluate them, we appreciate that they combine a few appliances in one and generally take up the same amount of space as a traditional microwave. The 6 best 3-in-1 microwave air fryer convection oven in 2024. Number 1. TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Inverter Countertop Microwave Oven. This model from TOSHIBA is our best overall countertop microwave and offers 6 different ways to cook: microwave, air fry, convection, broil, defrost, sensor cook, and combi cook, making it a truly versatile microwave air fryer combo. If you use the sensor cook preset, it will utilize the microwave's built-in humidity sensor to adjust power and cooking time accordingly, while the combi cook combines microwave, convection, and broil technology in one setting. In our recent testing, this microwave had the most even heat distribution out of all microwaves tested. It completely and evenly melted cheese, produced 4 perfectly cooked baked potatoes, and reheated a large casserole of mac and cheese more evenly than 11 other models we tested. Take note that the microwave has presets like popcorn, but it is listed on inside. Number 2, 1.0 Cu.Ft microwave oven with air fryer. GE 3-in-1 countertop microwave oven was one of the easiest microwaves to operate in our recent testing and costs less than other microwaves of similar performance, making it a great value for everything that it offers. While most microwaves require that you place the turntable in exact alignment on the rotating ring underneath, or it won't spin, no matter how you place this turntable on the rotating ring, it will spin. And instead of searching for preset codes, all presets are listed on the front of the microwave for superior ease of use. This model cooked up perfectly tender baked potatoes and excelled at heat distribution tests, melting cheese evenly and defrosting meat better than the majority of its competitors. Air-fried chicken wings also came out very moist and juicy. Something to note is that you have to press hard to open up the microwave while pushing the large brief. Number 3. Breville Combi-Wave 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. Not just a microwave, this model from Breville is also an air fryer and convection oven combined. Like its namesake, there is a fast combi setting which combines microwave, convection, and air frying power to cook food fast and evenly. While there isn't a popcorn button, there is a frozen food preset, ideal for cooking your favorite frozen meal or veggies. In our tests, the air fry setting yielded crispy, juicy, and golden chicken wings and a very moist cake baked on the convection setting. We can't help but mention that this completely stainless steel model with an easy-to-grasp handle looks very stylish on your countertop. The backlit digital control panel makes it easy to navigate from one setting to another once you get the hang of its multifunctional operation. But make sure to stay close by while it's in operation, because we found the model's alert beef, that is defrosting, or your chicken wings while air frying. Number 4. Galanz 3-in-1 SpeedWave with TotalFry 360 Microwave Air Fryer Convection Oven. If you're looking for solid features with a middle-of-the-road price, the Galanz ToastWave is a great pick. It offers 4 functions: air fryer, convection oven, toaster oven, and microwave. This combo appliance has everything you need to cook perfect meals every time for any occasion. It is one of the best microwave toaster oven air fryer combos because it features TotalFry 360 technology, allowing you to air fry with more surface area and less oil. The Galanz ToastWave also works well as a microwave, though admittedly, I still use the microwave that came with my place more often. My kitchen is laid out so that the pre-installed microwave is more convenient, which is the only reason I don't use the ToastWave more often for that purpose. Perhaps the only feature missing is a glass window on its front to peek at items cooking without opening the door. In addition to all 4 official modes, the Galanz ToastWave has a tremendous number of subsettings, many of which are listed in the manual and on the inside of the door. You can defrost meat, cook vegetables. Number 5. Panasonic HomeCHEF 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer. The HomeCHEF 4-in-1 microwave oven is not just a regular microwave. It's also a broiler, convection oven, and air fryer, all in one sleek-looking machine that performed very well in lab testing, making it our best overall pick for its great performance on all settings, but especially air fry. This 4-in-1 appliance can perform simple tasks like popping a bag of popcorn, as well as more complicated jobs like baking a cake in the convection oven or air frying chicken wings. We tried both and were especially impressed with how evenly the convection oven baked a 9-inch yellow cake and how crispy chicken. Number 6. TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. The TOSHIBA Air Fryer Microwave is the definition of multifunctional. It has an air fry mode, microwave function, convection cooking, broiler, and more. Not only that, but it is offered at a screaming low price, making it one of the best air fryer microwave combinations. This appliance has a large capacity, sleek design, and many cooking presets, making it easy to use and perfect for families. Microwave. This is the main feature of the unit, in my opinion. There are 2 ways to invoke the microwave. The first and easiest way is to just hit the overridden Start plus 30-sec button in the middle of the timer dial, which will immediately start the microwave and add 30 seconds to the time. Continued hitting of the button will add 30 seconds to the cooking time, possibly up to 95 minutes. Broil, grill, cooking. This feature is initiated by hitting G1 is displayed. This is the only choice, so I'm not sure why it is presented to the user. From there, the user selects the cooking time. There is no setting of the temperature like in some of the other modes. Since the broiler is located at the very top of the oven, I would think one would have to use the bake rack to get the food close to